friends. Today's tutorial, I want to show us how we can create an international TikTok account. But we might ask, why international TikTok account? The reason is because TikTok monetization is not available in all countries. Okay, we have only about 7 countries that TikTok can only monetize. In other words, if you are a content creator and you want to monetize your TikTok, if you're not from these 7 eligible countries, your TikTok account cannot be monetized. Below are the countries. If you check out my Google, you see United States is there, United Kingdom is there, Germany is there, France is there, Spain, Italy, Brazil, Japan, and South Korea. So these are the countries that can only be allowed to monetize TikTok. So as other international creators, if you actually want to get your TikTok monetized and earn reward, then you have to use any of these countries. But before now, it's always difficult. Sometimes you have to use VPN and stuff like that. But that is the beauty of this training. In this training, I'm going to show you how you can actually monetize your TikTok account without VPN, without having to call your friends or relatives from abroad to open a TikTok account for you and then send back the username and password for you to now start operating. No, you can do it right here without any much ado. So I don't like my tutorial to be too long. I don't like talking too much. I like going practical. So let's go straight away. Let me show you how this can be done. So if you check here, let me open my TikTok account. It's a UK TikTok account. I just opened it for this training. So for you to monetize it, let me scroll this down. Take this back a little. If you check up, you see my username. Okay. So because I've already have it, if you already have a TikTok account, then you have to go over to your username, see that small V arrow, and click on it. Okay, if you click on it, it will tell you to add account. So you click on add account. This is because I already have a TikTok account. But if I don't have a TikTok account, it's very simple. All I need to use, once you go to Play Store, download TikTok if you are using Android, or if you go to App Store if you are using my other phones, and download TikTok. Once you finish downloading it, you click on it and to open for you to create a new TikTok account. Okay, so but in case you have already used this method, now right here, before you go ahead to start creating, there are some conditions that you must meet. You must meet this condition for this to work. The first condition is this: you must create a Gmail account, a fresh Gmail account. Okay, let me use the word new Gmail account. And on that Gmail account, you don't need to use any country, just a Gmail account from your own country. Just the way you create a Gmail account. Okay, so you create a Gmail account. Once you're through with that, you now come over here and if say sign up for TikTok. If you now look down where they put all this word right up, you see here is Nigeria, because I'm actually from Nigeria, NJ. So you click on it, you click on NJ, and then select the country that you want to use. As for me, I want to use United Kingdom, but you can use any of those countries that I mentioned earlier on. Okay, if you don't want to scroll to search it, you can easily type it here and it will appear. Like I type United Kingdom and here it is. Before I even finish, that has appeared. So I click on it and it appeared. So once they appear, next thing before you now start choosing the method you want to use, whether to use your phone or email, or to continue to your Facebook, or to continue with Google. If you already just create a fresh Google account and this here, or you don't also have TikTok account before now, just click continue with Google. It makes things very easy for you. Okay, but if you have a TikTok account already on your phone and want to create an international account, then you can use phone or email. But don't forget, if you have a TikTok account already on your phone, if it's a Nigerian TikTok account that's on your phone, this will not work for you. Okay, so it must be an international TikTok account, or it's an TikTok account of your own country. Sorry, I'm just using Nigeria because I'm actually doing this tutorial from Nigeria. Okay, but this can work anywhere, any parts of the world. But remember, it must be a TikTok account that you want to create. You shouldn't have any TikTok account on that device that's already have your country. Like you can have a new phone for this, or anything where you want delete the one you have and then create this fresh one. Okay, so the first they will ask for your date of birth, so you click on it and input your date of birth. So let me put my date of birth, and then we proceed. I will just put any number after. I'm not going to use this, it's just for training purposes. So let me put this. Okay, and you click next. Okay, so once it appears, the next thing for you to do is just they will have to review your date of birth. You click OK, then you click next, and then let me just show start. Let me just need the explanation. Click next. So right here, you see where it asks for your phone number. At your left is your phone number, and you need to got some of your phone number. While at your right is email. So click your right and choose email. Then they now ask for your email address. So at this point, put that email address, the new email address that you just create. Okay, once you are done, the next is just next, and it's over. It's very simple. But remember, those conditions must be met. 1, new email address. 2, the phone should not have a TikTok account of the present country you are in now, unless if that country is a monetized country. Okay, but if you're in a monetized country, then you don't have any problem. Just do this process too and open or create your TikTok account. Isn't this simple? So once you're through, you have to come back to see if it works. And for you to know if it works, you have to go to your 3 dots. If you check up here, you see the 3 dots. Okay, I click on the 3 dots, and down here below you see TikTok Studio. I click on the TikTok Studio. So right here on the TikTok Studio, if you check the first one message, you go straight to creators reward. Okay, that is what concerns us, creators reward. You see creators marketplace and the rest of them. So right on that creators reward, that means that you've created and it's working. So at this point in time, if you're able to get 100,000 subscribers, views, 100,000 views, and 10,000 subscribers, TikTok will start paying you based on the currency of the country that you use. In our subsequent tutorial, I will show you can actually get your money direct from the country, any country you use, where you can get your money direct, where to pay directly to, and I can also get that money from that bank to your own local bank account and collect your money. I will also show you how you can actually, things that you need to do for you not to have problem with this TikTok account. Remember, if you do anything that is not necessary, TikTok might ban this account and may create problem for you. So watch out for those tutorials as we move on. Thank you for listening to us. If you're watching us on YouTube, kindly subscribe to our channel, turn the notification button so every time we release videos like this, you'll be the first to get notified. And like, comment, and ask questions. And please share to as many people as possible. Remember, many people also want to learn this. Okay, so if you like what you learned right now, please kindly share it to those who need it. And don't forget to join us. Follow us if you are watching us from Facebook, or if it's on TikTok, then if it's YouTube, subscribe to our channel. See you in our next class. And thank you for hanging around with Ceiven today.